Hello, dear students. This is Rajiv Kumar Sharma, your math teacher. As you know, we have completed this chapter, coordinate geometry. This chapter is very interesting because this entire chapter is based on the Cartesian plane, 2D Cartesian plane, right? As a revision, I would like to share the fundamentals or the basic things of this chapter. As in the 2D coordinate, there are two axes. This is x-axis and y-axis. Separately, axes are the number line. Both the axes will intersect to each other at right angle at a point, and that point is known as origin. Coordinate of the origin always be 0, 0, right? And these axes will divide the entire surface into four parts, in which this part is the first quadrant, this part is the second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this one is the fourth quadrant. Correct? In first quadrant, both the abscissa as well as ordinate both will be positive. In second quadrant, abscissa negative, ordinate positive. In third quadrant, abscissa as well as ordinate both are negative, and in the fourth quadrant, abscissa positive and ordinate negative. These are the points to remember to solve any one question. Either you are going to plot a point or you are going to write the location or the coordinate of the point, right? Two more important points are there. That is point to be remembered. This one, at x-axis y equals to 0 and at y-axis x equals to 0. These 2 points are very important to understand about any point. If you are going to locate that on the graph paper, or maybe a graph is already drawn and you are going to write the coordinate of given particular point. Okay, so today we will discuss some questions. I am going to make a table, and I think this is third attempt when I am making this table. You have to locate that point. What are the location exactly? This side points and other side location 0, 5, 2, 0, 2, 2, -4, -5, -3, +5, and then 5, -2. These are the some examples which I have taken. Just see the first point. This is 0, 5. It is very clear abscissa is 0, and this is the point. If any one coordinate abscissa is being 0 means the point will lie at the y-axis, right? So definitely this point is at where? At y-axis. This point will not lie in the coordinates 1, 2, 3, 4. Means it will not lie in the coordinates. It will lie at axes, and where? At y-axis. In second one, ordinate is 0, therefore this point will lie at x-axis. This is the location of this point, right? 2, 2, both are positive, both the values are given, means abscissa as well as ordinate, no one is 0, means both are not 0, so this will lie in the first quadrant. Both are negative, so this will lie in third quadrant. -3, +5, abscissa is negative in second quadrant, and ordinate is positive, so this will lie in the second. Similarly, this is the part of fourth one. To draw that, always remember which I told in the beginning, because every day I started a video to make a video, and in the beginning I told that much, because that is the backbone of this chapter. Those are having the good idea about that, they can understand all that question. right? Is it clear? Now students, actually these are the questions of MCQ that may be in the form of MCQ and 4 options are given. If you are getting these things, you can select the correct option, right? I would like to ask a simple question, and I hope I will discuss and you will get the point what I would like to say to you all. Just wait a minute. Find the distance of ordinate of the points 5 comma minus 3 and 3 comma minus 4. It is very clear. From this point, in the first point, y, I can say this one y1 3, and from this point y2 equals to minus 4. We are looking forward for the distance between these 2 points, right? Distance. So distance between ordinates of the given points, that is equals to y1 minus y2, and from the given point I may write y1 as the minus 3 and y2 as minus 4. It is minus 3 plus 4, as a result it is 1. So such some questions may be there. So this is the revision part 1, and just in the next video we will discuss some questions similar to this one, right? Thank you very much. I hope you all are getting it. Enjoy the questions, do it, and plot the maximum points. And as a project, I will give you a picture. You have to locate the point. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.